Hello and welcome to WaterCloud installation and working guide. In this video, I will discuss how to install the software solution and how to maintain it, and the instruction for the next theme. Okay, first let's start with downloading Meteor.js. Please go to Google, type in Google Meteor.js and click on the first result, which is meteor.com. Once you are in meteor.com, please click on Install Meteor. As you can see, you can install the Meteor on the following platform: OS, Linux and Windows. In my case, I'm using Windows. Please click on Meteor Installer. Once you install the Meteor.js and everything is running, please go to our GitHub. In our GitHub, please click on download the zip. Once the zip is downloaded, please go to the zip, copy the folder and move it to the desktop. As you can see, I already have it here. Once you download the zip code, please click on code and then WaterCloud again and copy the URL for the reference. Go to your command prompt and type the following command: cd and the URL reference. Once you are in the location, please type the following command: meteor reset. The following command will reset all the dependencies and the build of the previous function. Once the Meteor is resetted, you can go and run the software by the following command: meteor run. The following command build the dependencies and downloaded all the patches and the packages that we used. Once it's running and it's working, you can go to the website and play with this, or working on this. Now I will discuss the instruction for the next theme. For the next theme, please look on the organization of the folders. We have the WaterCloud HTML, the server.js and the client.js. Okay, the client.js contains all the code that is running on the client, the server.js contains all the code that is running on the server, and the HTML contains all the code that is running as presented for the user. Also, take in account the shared folder, which is where all the MongoDB and the collection are reside, which can be seen by the server and the client. In the client, you can see that the file and the code is structured based on sprint and template, from to top to bottom, which when you start from the top and going to the down, it's going from the lowest sprint to the highest sprint, from 1 to 7. Start with the configuration and routing to the templates and functions, which is sprint as follow, and eventually sprint number 7. The same with the server. It starts from the top, which is the configuration, and going to the bottom, which is the function and methods. And the same with the HTML and template. Please go to our documents for reference, and you can also see here the description for each template and an action. Now I will describe the main keys and APIs that this project is using. So please make sure to use the foreign keys and register to the foreign application to enable them, so the project will run properly. Please go to the server.js. In the server.js, please make sure that you register to the Google Civic API and make a key, and then search for the variable key. As you can see, the Google Civic API is here. Here is my key, so please change it to your key and enable the following APIs: Google Map and Google Civic API. Make sure to enable both of them to make it run, and paste here your key, here, exactly here. Now, the second dependency of the API is Twitter API. So please go to Twitter developer website and create a key and register to this key and paste the following keys: the consumer key, the consumer secret, the access token key. That was the instruction for the next team. Thank you for listening to this video, and I hope the best luck for the next team.